Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode at this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a Bladeless neck fan that you can use. And obviously these are super convenient since like summer is coming up, so it's gonna get hotter and hotter. So you definitely want to get some way to cool down. I actually tested a few other ones in the past and I love it a lot. And I'm actually really happy to show you guys another one right here. And for this one in particular, as you can see from the packaging itself, is very unique compared to other ones that I tested in the past. This one definitely gets like a better opening experience in the packaging and everything else. So if you can see, this is what the front part looks like. If you turn it aside, you guys can see there's a little slot where you have to push it out. So we push this part right here, you guys can see it slides out on this side. Alright. And you guys can see the inside looks amazing as well. It's at anytime, anywhere, because the actual product itself, you guys can use it anytime and anywhere you guys want to. Whether you use it at home, in the office, when you're traveling, anywhere you guys want to, that's up to you guys. If you see on the slide right here, they mentioned some other stuff here as well. But let's open up the product first to show you guys what it actually looks like. So right here, if you guys can see on the top part, they give you guys this little slot for you to open it up. And this is basically what it looks like right here. So they talk about each different part of the actual product itself. So if you can see, that's basically what is on here. And if you open up this part right here, there's some instruction manuals and everything inside right here, and then the product itself is right there. So let me actually show you guys what's included inside here first. Alright, so when we open it up, you guys can see there's a bunch of stuff inside there. Let's take it all out. Alright, so first thing you guys can see is a little thank you card right here. And then next you guys can see they provide you guys a quick starter guide to teach you guys how to use the product itself and all the different functionality that's on here. And right here some more facts about the product itself, you can see right here, and also on this side as well. So they give you guys a comparison of like the newest version compared to the older version, where you guys here can actually get stuck. And you guys can actually get both wins from both directions when you use the older versions. But that's basically everything that's included right here. Next up right here, you guys can actually see the product stuff right there and the little accessory box right there. So let's take that out and see what's in here first. Alright, so inside right here, they provide you guys the cable, and the cable that's included is a USB to USB-C. And last but not least, we have the actual product itself right here, and that is basically everything that's included in the packaging itself. So when we take a look at the product itself, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like right here. So this is this side right here, and then another side right here. And inside the product itself, you can see it labels L and R, so that way you guys know which side is which. And the product itself is super flexible. You can see you guys can bend all the way down here. You guys go like that. And it's also go like that as well. So it is super flexible. And basically the ear will come out from here and right here as well. And we guys take a look right here. That is basically the indicator light to show you guys the different speed level. And here's the button to activate it. So if we press the button, you guys can see what happens. So now it's on maximum. And it turns off. So basically this light right here is like a battery life indicator as well to show you guys where the battery is. If you guys see all 3 bars light up, that means fully charged. If you guys see 2 or 1, that means not fully charged. And you probably need to charge the product itself. If we take a look on the bottom part right here, you can see that that is basically where to plug in the cable itself. And then if you guys feel the actual product itself right here, it definitely feels really nice. It definitely has a very nice cushion to it. So if you guys do put it around your neck, you don't have to worry about any pain or whatever. And like I mentioned for the brand new product itself right here, if you guys do put it around your neck, especially for people who have like long hair like women, you guys don't have to worry about the hair getting caught right here because of the brand new design. It's not like the old fan design where it actually would get caught. So all you guys need to do is just put it around your neck like this, turn on the product itself and start activating it, and just start using the product itself wherever you guys want and whenever you guys want. If you guys want to know about the different specs that's on here, you can refer to this image right here. So you can see that I mentioned how it has an 8-hour battery life maximum if you guys use it at the lowest speed level. If you guys use it at the high speed level, you most likely will not get that 8 hours I mentioned. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Before I actually test it out, I do want to show you guys how to charge the product itself and how to know when it's charging first. So let's plug in the cable to test it out. So I have my little power bank right here. If we plug it in, so you don't plug this inside right here. So basically once you guys plug it in, you guys can see the light indicator right there to show you guys that it's charging. If you guys try to use it, it does not work. So basically when the product itself is charging, you guys can not use the actual product itself. But when you guys unplug the product itself, then you guys can actually use the product itself. Let me actually do one more test before I actually try it myself. And we're going to do a dB test to show you guys how loud it actually is first. Alright, so I got my little tester right here. Let's turn it on. Alright, so that's speed level 1. Alright, so that's speed level 3. So when it was around like speed level 1, you see it's around like the 40 range. But when it actually hit up to speed level 3, you guys can definitely see it went up to around like 50 to 60. So it is a little bit louder if you guys use the higher speed level, but that's not a bad thing as well. That's how you guys know the product itself worked pretty well to give you guys that cooling effect. So if that is an issue for you guys in terms of the noise, that's definitely something to kind of consider. But for me, honestly, I don't really care about the noise too much. As long as the product itself works and help me cool down, then that's totally fine. Alright, so now let's test that on itself and see how well it works. Alright, so speed level 1. Alright, so speed level 1's not bad. It's very quiet. It cools down a little bit. It's not like a strong wind or anything, but it's definitely pretty good for like a slow build up to cool you guys down. Like within seconds, I can definitely feel that cooling effect already. Now let me actually bring it to speed level 2. Alright, so speed level 2 is definitely like much cooler, much colder as well to give you guys that cooling effect. This one's a little bit louder than speed level 1 obviously, but it actually works a lot better. I can definitely feel a lot of air blowing right here, and when you guys put it around your neck, it kind of helps you guys circulate the actual product itself to kind of give you guys that cooling effect right here as well. Because it's blowing towards your neck to go down right here. Now let me try it on speed level 3. Alright, so speed level 3 is definitely much stronger. You guys can hear it's much louder as well. But you definitely get that really good cooling effect when you actually use the product itself. Like I feel like if I was going to be using this on like a really hot day around my neck, I would definitely cool down like instantly. Like even when I put my hand right here on this part right here, I can definitely feel how cool it is right here already. But definitely one thing that I do want to point out about the product itself is the fact that if you guys do plan on using this for like jogging or running or whatever, it probably won't stay on too well. Because when I actually try to like jog a little bit with this, it actually moves up and down, and I wasn't feeling too comfortable having this around my neck because I feel like it might fall off or something. Probably it won't, but just to be safe, I don't recommend going for jogs or running using this product itself. But if I do plan on like walking and jogging like very slightly, then the product itself should be fine and you guys don't have to worry about it. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that any kind of like Bladeless neck fan in general are super worth it. Whether it's get this one or from another brand, they all work really well. I feel like if you're actually getting any type of like Bladeless neck fan that's very similar to this one right here, it's definitely much better than the older version where it has a circle part that can get your hair caught inside right there. This one's much safer and actually performs a lot better as well. And I feel like it actually looks cooler as well. So I definitely have to say that this is worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.